Did you know 93% of local consumers use online reviews to help make decisions about a business, according to a Bright Local consumer survey? Online reviews are incredibly powerful at building your online reputation and can help improve the visibility of your Google business profile. Hello everybody, my name is Jake Miles, the SEO executive here at Make Me Local. Today I'm going to be showing you in 5 easy steps how you can collect more reviews for your Google business profile. In your chosen internet browser, head to business.google.com. If you're not already logged into your account, you will need to log in to the account that you use to manage your Google business profile. Navigate in your Google Business Profile Manager account to the Google Business Profile that you'd like to manage. Then on the Home tab, scroll down to the Review panel. Once you've found the Get More Reviews panel, click the Share Review Form button. Click to copy the link that is provided. Now that you've copied your review link, you can create an email to your customer requesting them to leave your review. We have provided a free email template that you can use in the description below. Just make sure that where it says link, to copy and paste your link in, so it's when you send the email to your customer, they'll be able to easily click on the link and leave you a review. It's as simple as that. If your business has under 40 transactions a month, this should be a manageable process that your business can run itself. However, if you feel that this is not something that you can manage yourself, you might want to take a look at Make Me Local's reputation management service. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, and for more helpful videos like this one, make sure to subscribe down below.